Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Chapter 1 Cumulative Agriculture. I will do this assignment step by step, and if you want me to do this assignment for you, if you want me to do this complete course for you, just contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID that I have mentioned in the description of this video. You can hire me for your other courses as well, like accounting, management, finance, information technology and or writing assignments. I will do this assignment step by step in this video, and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. Let's start this assignment from step 1 and solve this assignment step by step. So we will go to the instruction file now. So title of the assignment is Exp22 Chapter 1 Cumulative Agriculture. First step of the assignment is to download the Word file. This is the Word file where we will apply all the steps. This is the Word file where we will apply all the steps to get this assignment done. So we will apply all the instructions to this file. So we will move to step number 2. In step number 2, it is saying that display non-printing characters, insert text from Carrier.docx in the blank paragraph at the end of the document. So we are supposed to display the non-printing characters first. For this, we will go to Home tab. After going to Home tab, click on the non-printing characters. You can see the non-printing characters have been displayed. After that, we are supposed to copy the text from the carrier docs and we will paste the text in the blank paragraph at the end of the document. So we will go to at the end of the document. This is the blank paragraph here, and we are supposed to copy the text from the carrier docs now. For this, I will open the carrier document now that we got from the assignment. So this is our carrier doc, and we will copy this and we will paste in the solution file. Paste it here. So there is no need to use this carrier doc now. That is all about step number 2, and now I will move to step number 3. Step number 3 is scroll to the top of page 1. Apply heading 2 style to the paragraph heading about. So I will scroll to top of the document. So this is the heading 2, heading about, and we are supposed to use the heading 2 style for this heading. So I will go to Home tab and I will apply heading 2 to this one about. After that, it is saying that apply heading 2 style to paragraph heading research and career. So I will go to research this one. We are supposed to apply the heading 2 style to this one. Also, we are supposed to apply the heading 2 style to the career. So I have applied heading 2 style to these 3 headings that are given in the requirement. Modify the heading 2 style to a font color of black text 1 and the font size of 16. So now we are supposed to modify heading 2 style. For this, I will right click here and I will click modify, and we are supposed to use the black text 1 and font of 16. So black text 1 font should be 16 and font color should be black text 1. So click OK. Now you can see that these are formatted as black text 1 and font color font size of 16 this one. So that is our step number 3. Now we will move to our next step, that is step number 4. Step number 4 is apply title style to the report heading, carrier focus and center the heading. So we are supposed to apply the title style to this one style, and it should be title. Let me look for the title here. This one is the title. After applying the title style, inside center the heading, insert a hard return after the report heading, and type agriculture in your future. So center this one and type hard return after this and click enter, and then we are supposed to type this one. So I will copy this one and I will type this one. So I have typed this one. So our step number 4 is completed now, and now I will move to next step, that is step number 5. So step number 5 is apply the book title style to the subheading agriculture in your future. Change the fonts of the subheading to 14 fonts. So we are supposed to apply the book title style to this one. This one. So let me select this one. And we are supposed to apply the book title style this one. And now we will change the size of font to 14 fonts. That is our requirement. So we are done with step number 5, and now I will move to our next step, that is step number 6. So step number 6 is select all report text from about to the end of the document. Do not select the 2 heading lines. Change the number of column to 2. Ensure that a line display between the column. So we will select all the text from this about heading to the end of the document. And we will go to layout tab, click on columns and more columns, this one, and we will select 2 columns with a line between them, this one. So this text will be formatted into 2 columns now. That was step number 6. Now I will move to next step. Next step is step number 7. Step number 7 is basically this assignment has 16 steps, and we are doing step number 7 now. Insert a column break before the research heading near the end of the left column. So we are supposed to insert a column break before this research heading. For this we will go to layout tab and we will click on the breaks, and we are supposed to insert a column break here. So we will select the column from here. So I have selected the column from here, and you can see that now column research heading is moved to our next column. That is our step number 7. Let me do step number 8 now. Step number 8 is change the document theme to passage, change the theme color to grayscale. So now we are supposed to change the document theme. After changing the document theme, I will change the theme color to grayscale. Let me go to the solution file again. So we will change the document theme to facet now, this one, and then theme color to grayscale. This one. So let's save this one, and our step number 8 is completed. So step number 9 is add a shadow page border. Selecting the first line style. Add a shadow page border. Selecting the first line style, solid single solid. The color is gray, accent 4, and the line weight is this one. Apply the page border to whole document. So now we are supposed to insert a page border. To do this tab, we will simply go to the design tab and we will click on the page borders. After clicking on the page border, so we are supposed to select the shadow from here, single solid line, this one, and weight should be this one, color should be grayscale, color should be gray accent 4, gray accent 4, this is gray accent 4. So I have selected the shadow, single solid line, weight and color, apply the page border to the whole document. So you can select from this. So we are supposed to apply the page border to whole document. We will select the whole document and we will click OK. You can see that page border has been applied to the whole document now. So our step number 9 is completed. We will move to a next step, that is step number 10 now. So it is saying that include a custom watermark with the text UAC. The watermark should be horizontal. We are supposed to include a custom watermark with the text UAC and watermark should be horizontal. So for this we will go to the file again. Design and click on the watermark and select custom from here. After selecting the custom, select text and text should be UAC. We will type it here and it should be horizontal. This one, click OK. So we are done with step number 10. Step number 11 is replace all the occurrences of Department of the Agriculture Science with Department of the Agriculture Economics. So we are supposed to find the Department of Agriculture Science and we will change this to Department of Agriculture Economics. So select this one and go to the solution file and click on Home tab and click on Replace. We are supposed to find the Department of Agriculture Science and we are supposed to change with the Department of Agriculture Economics. Click OK. Replace all. So all done. We made 2 replacement. So we are done with this step now. That was our step number 11, and now I am going to do step number 12. Find the word protection, delete the word in that precedes the word protection. So first we will find this word protection. So we have find the word protection is here, and now we are supposed to delete this word in this one. We have deleted this one. Check the word count. If the number of the word is greater than 400, this has 0 points. We don't need to do this step. So let us, because of this one, we will move to our next step. Our next step is check the document for spelling and grammatical error. Ignore all the refinement concerns such as conciseness. So we will check the document for spelling and grammar. We will click on the review tab and click on the spelling and grammar. After clicking on spelling and grammar, so there is no spelling and grammatical correction. You can see that all is checked. So we are done with this one, and now we will move to our next step. Our next step is step number 15. Modify the document properties to include this as the author. We will simply copy this name. We will go to the document properties. For this, click on the file tab, click on the info tab. After clicking, so we are supposed to modify the property author, replacing any existing author, include the subject of agriculture degree. So remove this author and add a new author, this one. And after that, we are supposed to add this agriculture degree as a subject. So let me look for the subject. We can click on advanced properties and subject is here. We will add this here and click OK. After clicking OK, we are done with this assignment. So I have shown you step by step how can do your assignment. So if you want me to do this assignment for you, just contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID and I will do this assignment for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video. Thank you so much again.